What's good YouTube, Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the pitch and timbre of your voice in CapCut. You can also put on different voice changers. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut. In CapCut, press new project. Now import your video. After you have imported the video, put that video in here. Okay, now you want to click on the video, then go to audio, then go to voice changers. In voice changers, you want to press any of the things. Let's take this one. Now you can select the pitch of how high or how low you want it to be, even the timbre. I suggest you keep the timbre and the pitch too low, because if you make it too high, it's gonna mess up your voice. And then you can choose voice characters. In voice characters, this will make your voice sound like these people. Okay, you can also put on this to make your voice sound like a music. That was how you could change the sound of your voice in CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure to like and leave a comment down below. And if you need any more help, I'll leave a link to my Discord in the description down below.